Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black. How are you doing today? Today we're going to learn about a little known fact, a fact that everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people have been sleeping on, and it's our playlist. How to set that playlist up properly and in the right way to get more views. Stay tuned. We have been sleeping on the fact, or I have been sleeping. I didn't know about this myself. The fact that your playlist plays a big part in your channel. With your playlist, YouTube treats your playlist just like your videos. It is videos in your playlist. So you want your playlist to be able to be searched out as well, because you can get your playlist ranking, get it ranked up in YouTube and showing up in YouTube search. This will get you more views. And I have been going to some people's channels, checking this out and see how they had their playlist set up. And a lot of them was just like me, was not set up properly. But what you need to do is go to the back on your laptop or your home computer and go to your dashboard, and here at playlists, right here, click on playlists. Your playlist will come up. This is when you're uploading a video. If you want to make a new playlist, you can do this right back here. See right there? New playlist. You can create a new playlist right there. Click on that. See right there? You can make it public, have it private, or whatever you may want. You click right here. So you can be public, private, or unlisted. Okay, now I'm going to get out of this section. Cancel. And we're going to go back over here to the juice of everything. Now, with your playlist, I'm going to start with my Black History Month. You need to fill out the descriptions on your playlist. You need to get your keywords in your description. I have been overlooking this myself. But if you want, this will help to get you ranked higher in the search, because YouTube looks at the playlist just like they do your videos. So let's click on this one, Black History Month. See, I have a description there. You see top keywords? I did this morning because my playlist did not have descriptions in them. Okay, this month of February is Black History Month. I have a collection of videos telling a little known Black history facts to help us to understand our history better and facts we did not know. The history of Watch Night Service, Ref J Bunch, and more. Make sure you fill this out. This is just like the description in your video. When you upload your video, when you go to the back, it has a description. You fill that out. That description should be 200 to 250 words or more. But please fill out your description. Don't sleep on this like I have been doing myself. And I'm starting today. I'm going to clean up my playlist because a lot of them I'm not using anymore. They have the wrong name on them. You can rename your playlist. Right here, I hit the wrong thing. Let me go back. Okay. We're back at it again. You can share it out with this one. That's what I was trying. You can share it out, your playlist, on the different social medias right there to get more views, more views. That's what you're trying to do. And right here, you can sort your playlists. Put the date, add it. You want the newest one to be at the top, the oldest one to the top, the most popular one, or you just want the date that it was published to the newest, or the date that published to the oldest. You click right here at this sort. We need to pay more attention to our playlist because we really have been sleeping on this jewel. And you also can put other people's playlists in here to link to their playlists. And that will help you to get views by showing their playlists. And it was something else I wanted to show. If you want to change your title, you can do that here. I'm going to cancel out because that is not what I wanted to do. But I was just showing you another point. And it was something else I needed to show you. Hold on. Right here where it says top keywords. And it's supposed to be 3 dots there, but you don't see the third. But anyway, we click those little dots right there. And you see it had add videos. Add all to video. If you have if you collaborating with someone else, a collab, you can do that right here. Playlist setting or delete playlists. This little pin right here, when you click on it, that's where you put your description in. You can put up to 5,000 words in. And on this one, I have put in 245. And this is another way to get more views to your channel, is by filling out your playlist the correct way when you upload your video, to have everything and make sure you have that description filled out for your playlist so you can get in the ranking and the search. So when people are looking for your keywords and your name pops up, or your channel name, and they'll be able to go to your channel and you can get more views. Because right now, views are more important than subscribers. Views is what YouTube looks at. They tell us about the likes and the comments and all that. But the likes and the comments is just for branding deals. When companies want to look at you to see how many people are interacting with you with the likes and the comments. YouTube looks at the views, how many people are watching your videos and how long they are staying. So any way that we can get more views, we need to do it. So clean up those playlists, get them done the right way so you can get out there and get ranked in the searching. And I thank you for watching today. This is Beverly Black. And if you're not a subscriber or a member of our family, please subscribe. And remember, I love you, but God loves you more, because you are God's masterpiece, and God does not make any junk. Be blessed and prosperous.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.